We're just heading out on a scouting mission. I got my scouting attire on, as you can see. So we're gonna go investigate this piece of public land here. It's just a little guy today, nothing crazy. Just go see if we can see anything here on this far back corner of this piece of property. It looked promising. But anyways, I'll take you guys along and show you what I find as always. Peace. So I'm back with you guys quick already. I wanted to show you what I'm finding here on these trees. These small little trees like this. I mean, I'm not 200 yards from the parking lot yet. And this whole stretch of walking path has been nothing but old rubs like this. Nothing but old rubs like that on all these little trees the whole way down this walking path. And just back this way a little bit, there was a couple of deer paths you can see going off into the woods. And I think that if you look up this hill, up here and over that way, that might be an overlooked kind of thick bedding area back up on top of this hill. It looks like it would be good to bed on that hill also for anything west wind, northwest wind, southwest wind. And if they're bedded up there, they'd be overlooking the parking lot as well. So I'm gonna check that area out back up there on my way back. So I was just coming up over this hill behind me. It's like a big plowed field. Looks like it got turned over in the last couple years, 1 or 2 years. On Onyx, it still looks like a planted cornfield with hay bales in between the dead space, the drainage. So I'm interested how long ago this piece of public actually became public land. Don't know, not sure. But anyways, I'm coming across this field and I was looking ahead of me, and sure enough, there's 2 big toms, 3 hens, and they all scattered. And the tom turned and he flew off, went that way. Yeah, so that tom took off and he went up over in that vicinity over that way. But then I also noticed, as I'm walking across this field, I'm looking down, I'm looking for tracks and trying to find those turkey tracks to see how big they were, and I found a beautiful set of deer tracks. Big old nice set of deer tracks. Look at this guy. Just like that. And actually, let me see his back feet. I mean, that's all of 4 or 5 fingers wide. All right here. Here's another set. Yeah, and they worked their way up over this hill and into that next draw over there. I'm gonna go see if maybe I can see where he was coming out from over here. show you guys public land for you. But that's what you expect. What do you do? There's also a blind back there. I mean, on trails like this. Hard to be like, yeah, I ain't gonna put up a camera. Say it again. I ain't gonna put up a camera. Look at this path. I'll say you ain't gonna put up a camera again. So. This is 100% a bedding point. Big old scrape right there in front of us. What's the date today? May 6th, 7th, something like that. Leads back to that field. There. Trail that goes this way. I'll show you guys, you can see I'm on this point here. This is definitely like the top of a bedding point. One of 3 in this hub. And it's beautiful in here. It's early season. It's just about to get real thick in here, and you can kind of see down over the edges of the hills. You can see all the trails. It's pretty crazy. A bunch of markers in here, like they're gonna do some clear cutting, or somebody just came in here and put up a bunch of markers to scare everybody off. But this trail goes for a while, so I'm gonna take you guys down this hill. So I think I decided what I'm gonna do here, guys. I'm at like the top 1/3 of this hill right now, and instead of going any further down along this path, what I'm gonna do is cut along this hill out towards the end of the point and see if I can't, for one, see any beds, see any more significant sign than what I see here, and see if I can see any signs of other people hunting. That's good information to know. So, yeah, instead of going that way, down this trail, I'm gonna go this way, over this trail. There's that trail going this way. Right here. And it dumps down over there. Or it dumps down over there. And I've been thinking that I was following a set of tracks, and now I have confirmation. There's one right here. There's a set right there. So I got a bunch of deer over in this field right in front of me here. And I don't know what I'm gonna do, because I definitely want to get back to the car. But I don't necessarily just want to invade their space like that. So I'm gonna send it real quick. I'll try and actually get them on video for you guys real quick first. I'll sneak up over this hill to my left. See if I can't get a better view. Yeah, this piece is crazy. This piece is crazy.